Hi, to fix Bluetooth on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open Settings, go in the Bluetooth section, and make sure that device you are trying to connect to your phone is in the list of paired devices. Maybe the problem is not in the Bluetooth, but simply your device disconnected from the phone. So just check this first. And if everything is alright but the Bluetooth still doesn't work, we can also try to turn it off and then turn it on. This is a classical way to solve all of the problems with your phone. And for that we just need to press and hold the power button, which is located on the right side, and volume up buttons at the same time, and here drag the slider up to restart the phone. Now it will turn off, and within a couple of seconds you will see your Nord 3 logo and it will turn on again. Now, after it's turned on, we can just check the software version. For that, open Settings, then scroll till the end to go in the About Device tab, and here tap on the OxygenOS. And here make sure that you are updated to the latest version, because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. So if your version is up to date, like in my case, then also just try to connect your Bluetooth device to another phone to make sure that the problem is not in this device. And if everything is working, we can also try to reset the Bluetooth settings for this OnePlus Nord 3 phone. And for that, we just need to scroll to the additional settings. Here we need to go in the backup and reset, choose the reset phone, and here select reset network and Bluetooth settings. After that, you need to enter your lock screen password and the settings will be reset, and you will need to try to reconnect your Bluetooth device to the phone once more. After these advices, your Bluetooth should be working as usual. So that's it for today. Hope these advices helped, and thank you for watching.